Welcome to Ask the Lawyer, International Edition, the radio show that brings you the latest trends in immigrating to the United States. Hosted by attorney Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux Associates. This program is designed to provide valuable insights for those who wish to live, work, study, or invest in the U.S. Whether you're an international student seeking educational opportunities, an entertainer looking to break into the U.S. market, or a business owner wanting to expand your operations and tap into the vast U.S. economy, this show is for you. If you're an investor exploring options in the U.S. or someone with family or friends already living here, you won't want to miss the important information shared on Ask the Lawyer, International Edition. Each week, we dive into critical topics that help you navigate the complexities of U.S. immigration and business law. Special guests include experts in business development, elected officials supportive of immigration, business owners, and nonprofit leaders who provide real-world advice and guidance for those wanting to build a future in the U.S. The law firm of Figeroux & Associates was founded not only to serve our clients, but to contribute to the greater good. We understand the importance of helping individuals and businesses achieve their American dreams, and we are committed to providing the legal expertise and support needed to make that happen. So whether you're an entrepreneur looking to open a branch of your business in the U.S., an investor ready to explore opportunities, or someone hoping to migrate and build a new life in America, you should tune in and learn from this informative program. Ask the Lawyer. International Edition is your resource for understanding U.S. immigration trends, business opportunities, and legal strategies. Call now. For personalized legal advice, contact the experienced attorneys at Figeroux & Associates today. Our team is here to help you navigate the path to success in the U.S. Thank you for listening to Ask the Lawyer, International Edition with attorney Brian Figeroux. Visit us online at askthelawyer.us or call today to schedule your consultation.
Good day, good day, good day. My name is Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Welcome to our great show, Ask the Lawyer by the law firm Figeroux Associates. And when we talk about immigrants here in the United States, many of them from throughout the Caribbean, Jamaica, Trinidad and Tobago, St. Vincent, St. Lucia, Barbados, Montserrat, all those Dominica, yes, all those beautiful islands. A lot of the people that migrated to the U.S. from those islands, many of them do very well in the U.S. Some are millionaires, multimillionaires, and yes, there are a couple billionaires. And when we talk about a relationship between Caribbean nationals and nationals, obviously, with their own countries having relationship with those here, we have to foster a better relationship. German Americans, don't forget Germany. French Americans, do not forget France. When Germans come to the U.S., they don't start a branch of their business. They start a whole series of different businesses, different counties, different states here in the United States of America. The Germans, the French, all the Western Europeans, they have successful businesses throughout the U.S., employing also German Americans or German Americans invested in those businesses. In the Caribbean, what is the economic relationship with Caribbean people who have done well and with Caribbean businesses? How can a business in Trinidad and Tobago have a branch of their business in the U.S.? How could people from the Caribbean invest in that expansion of that business here in the U.S.? So whether it's be Trinidad and Tobago, Jamaica, St. Lucia, Grenada, whichever, what is that relationship, and how do we foster that relationship? These are areas that we have to explore, and our New American Chamber of Commerce is one of those conduits. If you are interested in investing in the U.S., if you have businesses that you need partners in the Caribbean, give us a call. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Let's explore business opportunities, whether it be a partnership, whether it be a branch of your business here in the United States of America. The law firm of Figeroux Associates could accommodate you. Go to our website at www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. Fill out that consultation form, give an explanation of the type of business relationship that you would like to have, and let's explore those business ideas. Thank you.
Attention entrepreneurs and international businesses. Are you looking to expand your business into the US or protect your small business legally? Look no further than Figeroux Associates in Brooklyn, New York. Our International Trade and Global Business Division helps foreign companies navigate US regulations, register businesses, and recover outstanding debts. Meanwhile, our Small Business Solutions Division offers expert legal advice on business formation, contracts, employment law, and tax compliance, helping you avoid costly mistakes. Don't take legal risks with your business. Protect your future with Figeroux Associates. Schedule your consultation today at www.askthelawyer.us or call us at 855-768-8845. We are located at 26 Court Street, Suite 701, downtown Brooklyn, New York. Small Business Solutions, helping business expand.
If your spouse has overstayed their visa and you want to help them obtain a green card, we can help. The process of adjusting status can be complex, especially if there was an overstay. But the law firm of Figeroux Associates, located in Brooklyn, New York, has the experience and expertise to guide you through it. Our team of immigration lawyers will assist you every step of the way, from filing petitions to representing you at interviews. Schedule a consultation today at www.askthelawyer.us or call us at 855-768-8845. Get the right legal help when it matters most. Are you an artist, band, or musician looking to perform in the United States but need help navigating the complex visa process? The law firm of Figeroux Associates, located in Brooklyn, New York, is here to assist. Our experienced immigration attorneys specialize in entertainer visas, including P1, P2, and P3 visas. We'll guide you through every step, from securing a U.S. sponsor to filing the necessary petitions and preparing for your consular interview. With our legal expertise, we'll ensure that your visa application process is smooth and stress-free so you can focus on what you do best, performing. Schedule a consultation today at visiting www.askthelawyer.us or call 855-768-8845. Figeroux Associates, your trusted partner in U.S. immigration law for entertainers.
Do you have a family member overseas that you want to bring to the United States? The law firm of Figeroux Associates, located in Brooklyn, New York, is here to help. Our experienced immigration attorneys specialize in family-based green card petitions, guiding you step by step through the process to reunite you with your loved ones. Whether you're a U.S. citizen or a green card holder, we will ensure your petition is handled smoothly and efficiently. Plus, we can help you understand how filing for a green card may impact your relative's visitor visa. Schedule a consultation today. Visit askthelawyer.us or call 855-768-8845 to discuss your case with our skilled legal team. Figeroux Associates, your trusted partner in family immigration law.
Hi, my name is Brian Anthony Figeroux, and you are listening to Ask the Lawyer with my father, Brian Figeroux.
International trade and global businesses, legal and business support for entrepreneurs and startups, navigating legal challenges as a small business owner. Starting and running a small business requires vision, strategy, and legal foresight. Entrepreneurs often face a labyrinth of regulatory requirements, contracts, and compliance hurdles, which, if mismanaged, can lead to costly disputes or financial setbacks. This is where Figeroux Associates Small Business Solutions Division steps in. Located at 26 Court Street, Suite 701, downtown Brooklyn in New York, this legal service arm specializes in business formation, contract drafting, compliance, intellectual property protection, and dispute resolution for small enterprises. For business owners, securing the right legal guidance is not just a safety net, it's a competitive advantage. Legal business challenges facing entrepreneurs and startups. Running a business involves legal risks at every stage. From registering a business to drafting contracts and resolving disputes, entrepreneurs must ensure they are legally protected. Common challenges include business formation. Choosing between an LLC, corporation, or sole proprietorship affects taxation, liability, and operational flexibility. Contracts and agreements. Poorly drafted contracts can lead to financial losses and legal disputes. Employment and labor laws. Hiring employees requires compliance with state and federal labor regulations. Tax compliance. Navigating local, state, and federal tax obligations is critical to avoiding penalties. Intellectual property, IP, protection. Protecting trademarks, patents, copyrights, and trade secrets prevents competitors from misusing proprietary business assets. Figeroux Associates provides tailored legal solutions to help entrepreneurs navigate these challenges while ensuring business growth and sustainability. Core services of the Small Business Solutions Practice. 1. Business formation and structuring. Selecting the right legal structure impacts a company's liability, taxation, and regulatory compliance. Figeroux Associates guides entrepreneurs through choosing between sole proprietorship, simple but offers no liability protection. Limited liability company, LLC, combines liability protection with tax flexibility. Corporation, C Corp or S Corp, best for businesses seeking investors or scalability. Partnerships, ideal for businesses with multiple owners but requires solid agreements. The firm assists with business registration, filing articles of incorporation, and obtaining necessary permits to ensure a smooth and legally sound business launch. 2. Contract drafting, review, and negotiation. Contracts are the backbone of business transactions. A poorly written contract can result in financial loss, litigation, or damaged business relationships. Figeroux Associates specializes in drafting and reviewing. Partnership agreements, vendor and supplier contracts, employment agreements, lease agreements for commercial spaces, non-disclosure and confidentiality agreements. The firm ensures contracts are legally sound, enforceable, and tailored to the client's specific business needs. 3. Employment law compliance. Employers must comply with state and federal employment laws, covering hiring and termination policies, wage and hour compliance, Fair Labor Standards Act, FLSA, anti-discrimination and harassment policies, employee benefits, and workers' compensation. Figeroux Associates helps small businesses develop employment contracts, workplace policies, and compliance measures to protect against lawsuits and regulatory penalties. 4. Business dispute resolution and litigation. Disputes are inevitable in business. Whether it's a breach of contract, partnership disagreement, or customer complaint, having legal representation can prevent costly consequences. The firm's dispute resolution services include mediation and arbitration, litigation defense, debt recovery and collections, breach of contract resolution. Figeroux Associates prioritizes out-of-court settlements to minimize costs and disruptions while ensuring clients' rights are protected. 5. Intellectual property protection. For businesses with unique products, logos, or proprietary technologies, intellectual property, IP, protection is critical. Figeroux Associates assists with trademark registration and defense, copyright protections, for creative works, patent applications, trade secret protections. IP protection ensures brand exclusivity, prevents unauthorized use, and enhances business valuation. 6. Tax and regulatory compliance. Understanding tax obligations is crucial for business longevity. The firm provides legal guidance on business tax filings and deductions, sales tax compliance, tax disputes and IRS audits, franchise tax regulations. Navigating state and federal tax laws ensures compliance while maximizing financial benefits. Why choose Figeroux Associates? Experienced business attorneys, legal experts who understand the complexities of small business law. Comprehensive business solutions, from startup formation to tax compliance and litigation defense. Strategic risk management, proactive legal guidance to prevent disputes and financial losses. Dedicated client support, tailored services that prioritize long-term business success. Schedule a consultation. Whether you're launching a startup, expanding a business, or dealing with legal challenges, Figeroux Associates can help. Address: 26 Court Street, Suite 701, downtown Brooklyn, New York. Consultation: visit askthelawyer.us to take control of your business future. Schedule a legal consultation today.
Are you or a loved one facing immigration challenges due to past convictions? Understanding how to file for a pardon in New York State could be the key to securing your future. A pardon from the Governor of New York offers forgiveness for a conviction, potentially restoring rights and alleviating barriers related to employment, housing, and immigration status. To be eligible, you must have completed your sentence, demonstrated rehabilitation, maintained a crime-free record for a significant period, and have a compelling reason for seeking relief. The application process involves obtaining and completing the official form, gathering supporting documents like character references and court records, and submitting everything to the Executive Clemency Bureau. For non-citizens, certain convictions can lead to deportation. The time to act is now. Call the law firm of Figeroux Associates at 855-768-8845 or visit us at askthelawyer.us to schedule a consultation.
Are you a green card holder? Protect your future and your family today by becoming a U.S. citizen. With the return of the Trump administration in 2025, immigration enforcement has intensified, putting even green card holders at risk of deportation. The law firm of Figeroux Associates in Brooklyn is here to help. Through our deportation inoculation drive, we're empowering green card holders to take the next step toward U.S. citizenship, the ultimate safeguard against deportation. Becoming a U.S. citizen offers more than just security. It opens doors to voting rights, expanded travel privileges, federal jobs, and the ability to sponsor family members for green cards. Don't let fear or confusion hold you back. Our experienced attorneys are here to guide you through the process, from determining your eligibility to preparing for your citizenship interview. The time to act is now. Call the law firm of Figeroux Associates at 855-768-8845 or visit us at askthelawyer.us to schedule a consultation. Your future is worth it. Secure your rights and protect your family with citizenship today. Do you have a family member overseas that you want to bring to the United States? The law firm of Figeroux Associates, located in Brooklyn, New York, is here to help. Our experienced immigration attorneys specialize in family-based green card petitions, guiding you step by step through the process to reunite you with your loved ones. Whether you're a U.S. citizen or a green card holder, we will ensure your petition is handled smoothly and efficiently. Plus, we can help you understand how filing for a green card may impact your relative's visitor visa. Schedule a consultation today. Visit askthelawyer.us or call 855-768-8845 to discuss your case with our skilled legal team. Figeroux Associates, your trusted partner in family immigration law.
If your spouse has overstayed their visa and you want to help them obtain a green card, we can help. The process of adjusting status can be complex, especially if there was an overstay. But the law firm of Figeroux Associates, located in Brooklyn, New York, has the experience and expertise to guide you through it. Our team of immigration lawyers will assist you every step of the way, from filing petitions to representing you at interviews. Schedule a consultation today at www.askthelawyer.us or call us at 855-768-8845. Get the right legal help when it matters most.
Attention green card holders. Have you been outside the United States for more than a year? Are you holding an old green card without an expiration date? These situations can jeopardize your permanent resident status. At Figeroux Associates, we specialize in immigration law and can guide you through these complex issues. We are located at 26 Court Street, Suite 701, downtown Brooklyn. We are here to help you navigate the legal maze. Don't wait until it's too late. Call us today at 855-768-8845 to schedule a consultation. Protect your status and secure your future with Figeroux Associates. Figeroux Associates, your trusted partner in immigration law. Call 855-768-8845 now or visit askthelawyer.us to schedule an appointment today.
Hi, my name is Brian Anthony Figeroux, and you are listening to Ask the Lawyer with my father, Brian Figeroux.
Our weekly immigration news roundup is brought to you by the law firm of Figeroux Associates. For a consultation on any immigration or legal matter, please call 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. For full stories and more immigration news, visit www.theimmigrantsjournal.com. That's www.theimmigrantsjournal.com.
Hello, my name is Mary Campbell, legal assistant at the law firm of Figeroux Associates, and your presenter with this week's immigration news based on an article by Brian Figeroux, Esquire. Why green card holders should immediately file for U.S. citizenship in light of the DHS Interim Final Rule. The U.S. Department of Homeland Security's DHS upcoming Interim Final Rule, IFFR, on alien registration and evidence of registration, set to take effect in April 2025, introduces new obligations and potential penalties for non-citizens residing in the United States. Given the increased scrutiny, stringent registration requirements, and potential legal consequences for noncompliance, lawful permanent residents, LPRs, or green card holders should prioritize filing for U.S. citizenship immediately. This article analyzes the new rule and explains why naturalization is the safest and most beneficial path forward for green card holders. 1. Increased registration and compliance burdens. Under the IFR, all non-citizens, including green card holders, will be required to register their presence and provide fingerprints if they remain in the U.S. for 30 days or more. This introduces a new layer of bureaucracy that U.S. citizens are exempt from. Frequent documentation checks. LPRs over the age of 18 must always carry proof of registration. Failure to do so could result in misdemeanor charges, fines up to $5,000, or imprisonment for up to 30 days. Change of address requirements. LPRs must notify DHS of each change of address within 10 days. Failure to comply could lead to legal consequences. 2. Harsh penalties for noncompliance. The IFR imposes strict penalties on those who fail to comply with new registration and fingerprinting requirements. failure to register or provide fingerprints, up to $5,000 in fines, imprisonment for up to 180 days, or both. Carrying proof of compliance is mandatory. If an LPR is stopped and cannot provide documentation, they face misdemeanor charges. Failure to report a change of address, a misdemeanor offense, punishable by a fine of $5,000 and up to 30 days in jail. For green card holders, this means increased exposure to legal risks, a concern that U.S. citizens do not have to deal with. 3. Risk of deportability for minor violations. One of the most concerning aspects of the IFR is that fraudulent registration or failure to register could lead to deportation proceedings. This means that even minor mistakes, such as missing a deadline or misunderstanding a requirement, could have life-altering consequences. Mistakes in paperwork or delays could be considered violations, placing green card holders at risk. Citizenship offers permanent protection from deportation, whereas LPR status always carries some risk of removal. 4. The threat of future policy changes. The IFR is a reminder that immigration policies are subject to change, and not always in favor of non-citizens. Future administrations or legislative actions could increase filing fees and processing times for green cards and naturalization, introduce additional restrictions for LPRs, making it harder to travel or renew documentation, tighten pathways to citizenship, making it more difficult for green card holders to naturalize in the future. Filing for U.S. citizenship now ensures that green card holders secure full legal rights before any further restrictions are enacted. 5. Citizenship provides freedom and security. By becoming U.S. citizens, green card holders eliminate the need to comply with these new registration requirements and the risks associated with them. U.S. citizens do not have to register their presence, provide fingerprints, or carry proof of registration, are protected from deportation and cannot be removed from the country under normal circumstances, have unrestricted travel rights, and can live abroad without worrying about re-entry restrictions. Furthermore, citizenship grants access to federal benefits, voting rights, and greater employment opportunities, advantages that LPRs do not enjoy. The time to naturalize is now, with the DHS Interim Final Rule introducing stricter registration requirements, significant penalties for noncompliance, and an increased risk of deportation. Green card holders should immediately pursue U.S. citizenship. Becoming a citizen eliminates bureaucratic burdens, legal vulnerabilities, and future uncertainties, ensuring long-term stability and protection in the United States. For green card holders who qualify, delaying the naturalization process is no longer an option. It is an unnecessary risk.
Our weekly immigration news roundup is brought to you by the law firm of Figeroux Associates. For a consultation on any immigration or legal matter, please call 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. For full stories and more immigration news, visit www.theimmigrantsjournal.com. That's www.theimmigrantsjournal.com.
Are you a lawyer with a degree from the Caribbean who dreams of practicing law in New York? The path to becoming licensed in the U.S. can be challenging, but Figeroux Associates is here to help. Located in Brooklyn, New York, our team specializes in guiding foreign-trained lawyers through the bar admission process. From credential evaluation and additional legal education to bar exam preparation and fulfilling pro bono requirements, we're with you every step of the way. Let us help you turn your ambition into reality. Visit us at www.askthelawyer.us or call 855-768-8845 to schedule a consultation. Don't let the complexities of the U.S. legal system hold you back. Contact Figeroux Associates today.
Are you applying for U.S. citizenship but facing complications? Under the Trump administration's harsh immigration policies, the process is tougher than ever, especially if you obtained your green card through marriage and later divorced. The government is scrutinizing applications, and a bitter ex-spouse could make things worse. At Figeroux Associates, we specialize in immigration law and will fight for your citizenship. We'll protect your rights, respond to government inquiries, and defend against false allegations. Don't let delays or denials stop your future. Call Figeroux Associates today at 855-768-8845 for a consultation. Visit us at 26 Court Street, Suite 701, Brooklyn, New York, 11242. Your citizenship is too important to leave to chance. Let us fight for you. Figeroux Associates. Justice, integrity, results.
Are you a religious worker looking to come to the U.S. to fulfill your mission? The law firm of Figeroux Associates, located in Brooklyn, New York, is here to help you navigate the complex R1 visa process. Whether you're a minister, missionary, or religious professional, our experienced immigration attorneys can assist with every step, from securing a U.S.-based sponsor to filing petitions with USCIS and preparing for your consular interview. Don't let the paperwork stand in the way of your spiritual calling. Schedule a consultation today at www.askthelawyer.us or call 855-768-8845 to discuss your case with our legal team. Figeroux Associates, your trusted partner in U.S. immigration law for religious workers. Call Figeroux Associates today.
If your spouse has overstayed their visa and you want to help them obtain a green card, we can help. The process of adjusting status can be complex, especially if there was an overstay. But the law firm of Figeroux Associates, located in Brooklyn, New York, has the experience and expertise to guide you through it. Our team of immigration lawyers will assist you every step of the way, from filing petitions to representing you at interviews. Schedule a consultation today at www.askthelawyer.us or call us at 855-768-8845. Get the right legal help when it matters most.
Hi, my name is Brian Anthony Figeroux, and you are listening to Ask the Lawyer with my father, Brian Figeroux.
How to leave an inheritance for your children, but not their spouses in New York State. Estate planning is a critical step in ensuring your wealth is passed down according to your wishes. If you want to leave an inheritance for your children, but not their spouses in New York State, careful legal planning is essential. Without the right protections in place, assets you leave to your children could become marital property, subject to division in a divorce. Below are some key strategies to ensure your assets remain within your bloodline. 1. Use a trust instead of a will. A revocable or irrevocable trust is one of the most effective tools for protecting an inheritance from spouses. Unlike a will, which distributes assets outright, a trust allows you to control how and when your children receive their inheritance. Revocable trust. This type of trust lets you retain control of assets during your lifetime. You can amend or revoke it as needed. However, it may not offer full protection from creditors or spouses. Irrevocable trust. This trust cannot be changed once established, offering stronger asset protection. It ensures that assets remain in the trust and are distributed under the terms you set, keeping them separate from your child's marital property. By naming a trustee, rather than your child, to manage the inheritance, you prevent your child from inadvertently commingling it with marital assets, which could expose it in a divorce. 2. Keep assets separate. New York law considers inheritances to be separate property, meaning they are not automatically subject to division in a divorce. However, if the inheritance is commingled with marital assets, such as being deposited into a joint bank account or used to purchase a shared home, it can lose its separate status. To protect an inheritance, instruct your child to keep inherited funds in a separate account under their sole name. Advise them against using inherited money for joint expenses, mortgages, or investments with their spouse. Ensure they avoid adding their spouse's name to inherited real estate or financial accounts. 3. Include a spendthrift clause. If you use a trust, including a spendthrift clause prevents beneficiaries from transferring or assigning their inheritance to others, including a spouse. This protects the assets from creditors and divorce settlements, ensuring that only your child can access the inheritance. 4. Consider a prenuptial or postnuptial agreement. Encouraging your child to sign a prenuptial or postnuptial agreement with their spouse can help safeguard their inheritance. Prenup, signed before marriage, or a postnup, signed after, can outline that the inheritance remains separate property. While not foolproof, these agreements can reinforce the protections you put in place. 5. Use lifetime gifting strategically. Another strategy is lifetime gifting. Instead of leaving a large inheritance upon death, you can gradually gift assets to your child in a way that minimizes estate taxes and reduces the risk of commingling with marital property. However, these gifts should still be kept in a separate account or trust. Conclusion: if your goal is to leave an inheritance only to your children, not their spouses, you must plan carefully. Trusts, separate accounts, spendthrift clauses, and prenuptial agreements all offer strong legal protections. Consulting an estate planning attorney in New York State is the best way to ensure your wealth is preserved for future generations according to your wishes.
Attention entrepreneurs and international businesses. Are you looking to expand your business into the US or protect your small business legally? Look no further than Figeroux Associates in Brooklyn, New York. Our International Trade and Global Business Division helps foreign companies navigate US regulations, register businesses, and recover outstanding debts. Meanwhile, our Small Business Solutions Division offers expert legal advice on business formation, contracts, employment law, and tax compliance, helping you avoid costly mistakes. Don't take legal risks with your business. Protect your future with Figeroux Associates. Schedule your consultation today at www.askthelawyer.us or call us at 855-768-8845. We are located at 26 Court Street, Suite 701, downtown Brooklyn, New York. Small Business Solutions, helping business expand.
Schedule your consultation today. If you are facing probate-related legal matters, do not navigate the process alone. Figeroux Associates is here to help, offering both in-person and remote legal services for your convenience. To schedule an appointment, visit askthelawyer.us. Call 855-768-8845. Text 718-986-4362. Whether you need assistance validating a will, resolving disputes, or administering an estate, trust the experienced team at Figeroux Associates to provide the legal guidance you need.
Are you an artist, band, or musician looking to perform in the United States but need help navigating the complex visa process? The law firm of Figeroux Associates, located in Brooklyn, New York, is here to assist. Our experienced immigration attorneys specialize in entertainer visas, including P1, P2, and P3 visas. We'll guide you through every step, from securing a U.S. sponsor to filing the necessary petitions and preparing for your consular interview. With our legal expertise, we'll ensure that your visa application process is smooth and stress-free so you can focus on what you do best, performing. Schedule a consultation today at visiting www.askthelawyer.us or call 855-768-8845. Figeroux Associates, your trusted partner in U.S. immigration law for entertainers.
Hi, my name is Brian Anthony Figeroux, and you are listening to Ask the Lawyer with my father, Brian Figeroux.
The complex nature of lies. understanding deception, its discovery, and its consequences. Lying is a fundamental aspect of human nature. From small white lies meant to spare someone's feelings to elaborate deceptions designed to manipulate, lying is an inescapable part of social interaction. However, despite the commonality of lying, most lies are eventually discovered, often leading to significant personal, professional, and legal consequences. This article explores the psychology of lying, why people lie, why lies are usually exposed, what makes an effective liar, why lying in legal situations is particularly foolish, and the far-reaching consequences of deception in various aspects of life. The psychology of lying. Why do people lie? Lying is deeply ingrained in human behavior. While it is often viewed as a moral failing, deception has played an essential role in human evolution, aiding survival, social interaction, and even professional success. 1. Survival and evolutionary advantages. From an evolutionary perspective, lying can be seen as an adaptive strategy. Early humans who could deceive predators, rivals, or competitors had a higher chance of survival. Even in modern times, deception is sometimes used as a survival mechanism in high-stakes situations. For example, feigning bravery in battle to intimidate an opponent, bluffing in negotiations to gain a better deal, concealing emotions to prevent others from exploiting weaknesses. 2. Social lies and maintaining relationships. Many lies are told in the context of relationships. These are often referred to as pro-social lies, deceptions told to avoid hurting others or to maintain social harmony. Examples include telling a friend their new haircut looks great, even if it doesn't, saying you enjoyed a gift to avoid offending the giver, pretending to like someone's cooking to avoid hurting their feelings. These lies are generally considered harmless and are often necessary for smooth social interactions. 3. Self-preservation and avoiding punishment. Another major reason people lie is to protect themselves from negative consequences. This is especially common in childhood, but continues into adulthood. Examples include a student lying about completing their homework, an employee exaggerating their contributions to a project, a person denying involvement in wrongdoing to avoid punishment. While some of these lies may be minor, they can escalate and have serious consequences if exposed. 4. Manipulation and personal gain. Some individuals lie deliberately and maliciously to manipulate others for personal gain. These lies are often self-serving and may involve fraud, lying for financial benefit, cheating in relationships, lying to cover up infidelity, deception in business, misrepresenting products or services. Lies told for personal gain tend to be more elaborate and calculated, making them harder to sustain over time. 5. Psychological conditions and pathological lying. For some individuals, lying is not just a choice but a compulsive behavior. Conditions like pathological lying, pseudologia fantastica, chronic lying for no clear reason, narcissistic personality disorder, NPD, deception used to maintain an inflated self-image, antisocial personality disorder, ASPD, manipulative lying with no regard for consequences. People with these conditions may lie habitually and skillfully, but even they are not immune to eventual exposure. Why most lies are eventually discovered. Despite the effort put into deception, most lies do not remain hidden indefinitely. There are several reasons for this. 1. Inconsistencies and memory gaps. Lying requires mental effort. Keeping track of a falsehood, especially over time, is difficult. Inconsistencies eventually arise because a liar forgets what they originally said. They contradict themselves in future conversations. Their story lacks realistic details. 2. Nonverbal cues and body language. Even skilled liars exhibit subtle physical signs of deception, including increased blinking or avoiding eye contact, fidgeting, sweating, or shifting uncomfortably, a forced or unnatural tone of voice. While these cues alone do not prove deception, they often raise suspicion. 3. Third-party verification. Many lies are exposed when someone else contradicts the false claim. For example, an alibi is disproven by security footage. A resume lie is exposed through a reference check. A fabricated illness is disproven by medical records. The more people involved, the harder it becomes to maintain the lie. 4. Digital footprints and technology. Modern technology makes it nearly impossible to lie without leaving evidence. Text messages, emails, GPS data, and security cameras all create permanent records that can be used to verify the truth. For instance, a cheating spouse is caught through phone records. A fraudulent claim is exposed through financial transactions. A fabricated work history is debunked by LinkedIn. The digital age has made deception riskier than ever. What makes a good liar? While most lies are eventually discovered, some people are exceptionally skilled at deception. What makes them successful? 1. Confidence and conviction. Good liars deliver their lies with confidence, making them harder to doubt. If someone seems uncertain or nervous, others are more likely to suspect deception. 2. Consistency in details. The best liars ensure that their story remains consistent across multiple retellings. They rehearse details carefully and avoid adding unnecessary information that could later be disproven. 3. Emotional control. Skilled liars control their body language and facial expressions to avoid typical tells. They appear relaxed and natural, making it harder for others to detect dishonesty. 4. Knowledge of human psychology. Good liars understand how people think. They manipulate emotions, create trust, and tailor their lies to what the listener wants to hear. However, even the most skilled liars cannot deceive everyone forever. Eventually, they make a mistake, or new evidence emerges that contradicts their deception. Why lying in legal situations is a terrible idea. Lying in everyday life may carry social and professional risks, but lying in a legal context can result in severe consequences, including 1. Perjury charges. Lying under oath is a criminal offense. If caught, a person may face fines, imprisonment, and a permanent criminal record. 2. Obstruction of justice. Lying to law enforcement, destroying evidence, or misleading investigators can lead to obstruction charges, often carrying harsher penalties than the original offense. 3. Civil penalties. Lying in lawsuits, contracts, or legal statements can result in breach of contract claims, fraud lawsuits, financial penalties, and liability for destroyed credibility. If a person is caught lying in court, their credibility is permanently damaged. Future testimony may be disregarded, and they may lose professional opportunities as a result. Consequences of lying in different aspects of life. Lying has consequences that extend far beyond legal ramifications. It can damage relationships, careers, and personal reputations. 1. Personal consequences. Loss of trust in relationships. Guilt and stress from maintaining a falsehood. Social isolation when others discover the deception. 2. Professional consequences. Job termination if caught lying on a resume. Reputation damage in the industry. Loss of career opportunities due to dishonesty. 3. Legal consequences. Arrest and criminal charges for perjury or fraud. fines, lawsuits, and imprisonment. Deportation or visa denial in immigration cases. Conclusion: lying is a common yet high-risk behavior. Whether used for self-preservation, manipulation, or social niceties, deception almost always has consequences. While some lies are small and harmless, others can ruin reputations, end careers, and lead to legal penalties. Ultimately, honesty remains the best long-term strategy, as the truth has a way of surfacing, no matter how well a lie is crafted.
Attention immigration paralegals. Are you looking for an exciting opportunity to make a difference? Figeroux Associates, a respected Brooklyn law firm, is hiring an immigration paralegal to assist with case filings, legal research, and client support. If you had at least 2 years of experience and a passion for helping immigrants, we want you on our team. Competitive pay, career growth, and meaningful work await. Apply now by sending your resume. Visit askthelawyer.us for details. Your next career move starts here.
Estate planning is a necessity, not a luxury. Let the law firm of Figeroux Associates help you protect your legacy, assets, and loved ones. Get estate planning consultation on wills, living trusts and probate, power of attorney, health proxy, deed transfers, providing for special needs, disabled children and grandchildren, minimizing federal and state taxes. Call us right now at 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. Or schedule an appointment at www.askthelawyer.us. That's www.askthelawyer.us.
Are you a religious worker looking to come to the U.S. to fulfill your mission? The law firm of Figeroux Associates, located in Brooklyn, New York, is here to help you navigate the complex R1 visa process. Whether you're a minister, missionary, or religious professional, our experienced immigration attorneys can assist with every step, from securing a U.S.-based sponsor to filing petitions with USCIS and preparing for your consular interview. Don't let the paperwork stand in the way of your spiritual calling. Schedule a consultation today at www.askthelawyer.us or call 855-768-8845 to discuss your case with our legal team. Figeroux Associates, your trusted partner in U.S. immigration law for religious workers. Call Figeroux Associates today.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.
This show is a production of IQ Inc. Marketing. If you would like to advertise your product or service on this show to the U.S. and Caribbean markets and through our multicultural publications in New York, please call 866-435-3286 or send an email to info@myiqinc.com.
Thank you for listening to Ask the Lawyer International Edition with attorney Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux Associates in New York. We hope you enjoyed the show, which featured immigration visitors visa, starting and doing business in New York, entertainment and business visas, religious visas, and much more. Whether you are outside the U.S. or have family in New York, the number to call, share, and keep is 855-768-8845. 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. Please schedule a consultation with us at www.askthelawyer.us. That's www.askthelawyer.us. This is Ask the Lawyer, International Edition. You have questions? We've got the answers.
He is watching.